Hey everyone, it's Alex with 4Pt Punchlist. Just a few updates that might matter to you and your clients. First up, we are going to be attending the Florida Realtor Convention and Trade Show this year. We are going to be at booth 410, so keep an eye out and come on by. The first 100 to our booth get a special prize, and that is August 25th and 26th, and it is free to you, so we really hope to see you there. The registration is closed online, but registration will be available in person. And we are jumping right into the hurricane season here in Florida, and it unfortunately is just getting more complicated. So Pinellas County just released the 2025 FEMA letters. So if those of you who have had damage from Hurricane Milton or Helene, the 49% threshold may be reduced drastically. So those properties that are still unrepaired as of January 1st, 2025 are still using the 2024 FEMA letter, but those properties that were repaired will be using the new letters. And on top of that, the East Coast is giving us a bit of a preview into what the hurricane season is going to look like for us this year. That hurricane reached up to 74-mile-per-hour winds. So it's a little less about stocking batteries and candles and more about how this is going to affect permitting and real estate timelines here in our area. So if you are affected and are navigating these letters or storm damage repairs from last year or this upcoming year, we've got you covered. Feel free to lean on us. This is what we do. And if you have any photos of damage from the storms or even just an inspection report, you can go right on our website, fill out the form, and we'll get you a quote within 24 hours. And if you have any questions at all, we're the experts and we're happy to help you navigate this season. So come invite me to your office. I'm happy to come on by, bring some food, and chit chat for a little bit. So anyways, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.